Hey everybody, my name is Haley. I'm going to be working with you and teaching you some Bible class songs that I use for cradle roll, and sometimes I even use them all the way up to 3-year-olds. I'm going to give you my tips and tricks. I'm going to break these up into various videos, but I wanted to talk about some teaching strategies for little people because I think it's super important that they have a Bible class that's age appropriate for them, that they can actually learn from and be involved with. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do our Welcome to Bible class songs. And I'm going to do my best to have these on the screen and edit to where you can see that and show you all my tools and tricks with those, okay? All right. So the first song is It's Time for Bible Class. And I'm going to probably use my kids' names in there so that you know how it would sound with a real name. Okay. The first thing I do is I get a mirror, and this is a giant mirror. I know that, but this is all I had at home. But I like to have little hand mirrors and pass them all out to the kiddos for this part of class so that they can hold it. So I hold it up to the little kiddo's face, and they're looking at themselves. They all love to look at themselves in the mirror. And so this is how the song goes. It's time for Bible class. It's time for Bible class. With all the other boys and girls, it's time for Bible class. Then take your mirror and hold it at as each individual child. Gideon will be there. Gideon will be there. With all the other boys and girls, Gideon will be there. Hattie Mae will be there. Hattie Mae will be there. With all the other boys and girls, Hattie Mae will be there. And then sometimes I get a big clock. Sometimes I don't have a clock. And then I like to ring the bell on a little alarm clock, and I say, time for class, time for class. Bells are ringing, children singing, time for class. This is the way we ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell. This is the way we ring the bell to come to Bible class. What time is it? What time is it? Is it time to brush your teeth? Oh no, 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 oh no, 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 it's not time to brush your teeth. What time is it? What time is it? Is it time to comb your hair? Oh no, 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 oh no, 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 it's not time to comb your hair. What time is it? What time is it? Is it time to wash your face? Oh no, 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 oh no, 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 it's not time to wash your face. What time is it? What time is it? Is it time for Bible class? Oh yes, 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 oh yes, 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 it's time for Bible class. And then I like to do a Who Came to Class song. So we have our mirror, and then we're gonna hold it and look for the different kids in Bible class. Where is Gideon? Where is Gideon? Did he come to Bible class? Come to Bible class. Come to Bible class. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. You're a handsome little boy, and God made you. God made you. God made you. You're a handsome little boy, and God made you. Learn to serve him faithfully. Where is Hattie? Where is Hattie? Did she come? Did she come? Come to Bible class. Come to Bible class. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. You're a pretty little girl and God made you. God made you. God made you. You're a pretty little girl and God made you. Learn to serve him faithfully. We need to get ready for Bible class. I like to have a little baggie with all of their things individually labeled so they all get the same ones every time because little kids like to put toothbrushes and things in their mouth. We do clean them, but it still makes me feel a little bit better. So I hold up and I put this over their face and I say, where is Hattie Mae? There she is. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face to come to Bible class. Oh, where's your comb? This is our comb. Where do we use our comb? On our teeth? No. What about on our hair? This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair to come to Bible class. You can help them comb their hair. I usually have helpers that are helping the kids comb their hair. Are you ready to clean your teeth? This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth to come to Bible class. Make sure you follow along for some other examples, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.